Before you even think about buying Birch, there are some things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're comparing it to competitors or you're just starting to explore its potential, this video will help you decide if it's the right software for you. Stick around to the end for an exclusive way to try it out for free. So, let's get straight into it. First off, Birch is designed to streamline your business processes, but how does it really stack up against competitors like Salesforce or HubSpot? Well, one of Birch's key selling points is its simple, user-friendly interface. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of other platforms, Birch does a great job of simplifying the experience without sacrificing functionality. It's easy to set up and use, which makes it a solid choice for smaller businesses or even teams just starting to get into CRM software. Next thing, Birch's automation capabilities are strong, but where it shines is in its customizability. Unlike many competitors, Birch allows you to tailor workflows and automations to your business's unique needs. If you've ever tried to set up automation in other CRMs and felt like you were limited by rigid templates, Birch offers a refreshing degree of flexibility. It's perfect for businesses looking to create personalized customer journeys and save time on repetitive tasks. The third thing you need to consider is how Birch handles integrations. While it might not have as many out-of-the-box integrations as some other big players, it does provide seamless connections with essential tools like Google Workspace, MailChimp, and Zapier. If your team already uses these tools, Birch will slide right into your existing tech stack without much of a learning curve. However, if you rely on more niche software, you may find the integrations a bit limited. The fourth thing to look out for is Birch's analytics. It's powerful, but again, it may not be as deep as competitors like Salesforce or Zoho CRM. While Birch gives you solid insights into customer behaviors, conversion rates, and sales performance, you might find yourself wanting more detailed data reporting as your business scales. That being said, for most small to mid-sized businesses, the reporting features are more than sufficient. Next, if customer support is a major factor for you, you'll appreciate that Birch offers 24/7 support via live chat and email. The response time is quick, and the support team is knowledgeable and friendly. In comparison, some of its competitors can have long wait times or only offer support during business hours, which can be frustrating if you run into issues outside of standard operating times. The sixth thing you need to know about Birch is its pricing structure. It's more affordable than many high-end CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot, especially if you're just starting out. But be cautious. While the entry-level plans are budget-friendly, you'll need to upgrade to unlock advanced features like custom reports, advanced automation, and certain integrations. So, while it's a great starting point, you might need to invest more as your needs evolve. Finally, let's talk about the trial. If you're on the fence, you can actually try out Birch completely free. That's right, no commitment, no credit card required. The first link in the description below will give you access to this exclusive free trial, which will let you explore all the features Birch has to offer before making any decisions. If you want to try out Birch, click the first link in the description below to get access to an exclusive free trial and unlock some special benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your business to the next level.